Hi friends, welcome to Code Jana, and we are going to take a look at one of the error that has puzzled me and several others. So quickly, I've simply created this simple Python file and I'm going to import Langchain. So right now Langchain is not available in my system, so I'm going to install it. Pip and install Langchain. Alright, so it is done. Now let's try to run this. So this is the error. No module named pexpect. Now since recently they have added pexpect inside Langchain, and what's happening is pexpect is actually running with Unix systems and Mac OS as well, as I read in some forums, but not with Windows. So let's actually try to install this because we have that available. So pip env install pexpect. Now you would think that this would solve the issue, but no, it doesn't. Alright, so now let's try to run this. Now it is saying pexpect has no attribute spawn, and that is true. So let's take a look at that. Now I'm going to see where it is installed. So pip show and then pexpect. Great. So it is installed in C users and up to this level. So I'm going to just copy this and open my Langchain error folder. Just paste this and open it. Now let's go to pexpect. So as we can see that we do not have a spawn here. Now the piece of code that is throwing this error is here. So in side packages Langchain utilities bash.py line 29, it is saying this particular line pexpect.spawn. Well, that doesn't exist. It's actually true. Let's go there. Now let's close this. So this line, this is actually throwing the error. Now I'll tell you the solution right away because we don't want to make this video too long. So first of all, we are going to delete this. So from pexpect.popen.spawn, all right, import popen.spawn like that. Now copy this. And instead of pexpect.spawn, simply paste popen.spawn. Now the second place that we want to do it is this. So select pexpect.spawn completely and paste it. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now let's go back to this Langchain tut. Try to run it. And yes, it is running successfully. So that's it. That's all you have to do. Now I'm hoping that in future releases, Langchain actually fixes it by themselves, so we don't have to go through this step. But if you're facing issue with this step, then please reach me out in the comment section below and definitely help you. Thank you. This is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.